Hi guys, so the question which we are going to solve is expensive number. Let me, explain whole the question in short. We have given a number string. Okay, there is a formula cost of number which is number divided by sum of its digits. Okay, like number is 111. So the sum of digit will be what 111. As you can see, below is sum of digits and upper is number. Okay, what we are allowed to do, we can remove any digit we want, but we have to must follow certain instruction, must have at least one digit. We can remove as much or none, but it should have at least one digit. That one digit shouldn't be zero. Okay, must give a greater than zero. Okay, that's what my point. And leading a zero are allowed. After non-zero number that could be zero, it is allowed. Our goal is to make the cost as small as possible among all the ways to get the minimum cost. Okay, we have to remove to get the minimum cost. So that's our goal. And how we are going to do it, I have already written the code. As you can see, number of test cases, then string, then its size, then p positive is equal to false, then count 0 is equal to 0. We'll using a for loop. It will iterate from n minus 1 index to starting index. So first it will check if si is not equal to 0. If it's true, then p will be assigned as true. Else, if the count of the 0 will increment, we'll do till we reach the 0th index. After that, what we will do, count plus 1 minus whole n, we'll get our answer. Let's run a test case like 666. So 2 is the correct answer. Let's run another test cases. Okay, so yeah, it's working fine, as you can see. Yeah guys, so that's it. If you have any doubt, write down in the comment section. I will definitely try to reply. Thank you for watching.